For 14, they're going to give you either a growth or decay type function, so you don't have to come up with the equation on your own. It'll be provided. And they're going to ask you a question about it. Now this particular one talks about bacteria growth, and it says n is the number of bacteria after t days, and we're starting out with 100, we see there. It says how long will it take the population to reach 140 bacteria? That means that the population after growth is going to be 140. That means you got to put 140 into the left-hand side. We're not putting it in for t because they don't give us days. That's a population there, so it's going to go on the left-hand side. Now we want to solve this for t. We do this by dividing both sides by 100. You want to get the e by itself, so that's why we're going to do this first step. We want to isolate e. So when we do 140 divided by 100, we get 1.4. Hundreds cancel out, and we get e to the 0.045 t. Now to get rid of the e, what we have to do is take the natural log of both sides. Natural log of 1.4, we're going to take the natural log of the e. What that allows you to do is the ln e is going to cancel. We could bring this whole entire thing down in front, and an ln e is a 1. So by doing that, what we end up with is ln 1.4 equals 0.045 t. And then we're going to now solve for t by dividing both sides by 0.045. And when you put that into the calculator, you get about 7.5 days. On the test it'll tell you exactly what to round to. In this case we get about 7.5 days. So when we work through all this, again, you're solving for time in this case, and that's going to be our final answer, 7.5 days.